A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here for the pitch report. Nice roll on the pitch, and you can see a little bit of grass as well. And the pitch is opening up. It is a good roll and a parter wicket to bat first. Whichever batsman will win the toss will try to bat first. At least they will try to pose a total of 150 and then defend. But that pitch will definitely help the new seamer bowlers as well. They will get a bit of a movement. The openers will have to be watchful and careful. Once they get through, it will be a batsman's paradise. A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to the finals of this prestigious tournament organized by Prudent Media as Geno Prudent T20 Cup. 12 teams participated in this knockout contest, out of which these two teams are standing here face off to clinch the title, to clinch the trophy. Starting from Nityanand Sports Club Fonda, Sagar Gosavi, Tushar Savan, Amar Arkas, Achit Sigwan, Rohit, Dheeraj, Tegh Bahadur, Srinivas Fatte, Mahesh Rao, Pushpishal Desai and Sumiran Amolkar, Shubham Desai, Shan Gadekar, Harshad, Ninad Paskar, Rohit Amog, Gaurang Duri and Rahul Keni. So I am here with the two official umpires, Umpire Atmaram Arulkar and Umpire Sushant Salgaonkar, with two dashing captains, Sahil Duri to my right and Sagar Gosavi to my left. Spin of the coin. Heads, he says. Sagar, you have won the toss.
We'll bat first because it's a big finals and there will be obvious pressure on the batting, the team which is going to bat in the second innings. So don't want to take any pressure, just want to enjoy the game and want to play the best game that we can.
Good part of wicket to bat on, and in the semi-finals, second semi-finals, champs have chased the target of 144. You will be not looking less than 150. The batsman has to make their chances fancy.
Yeah, Nadeem, as I always say, we don't keep any target in our mind. Whatever comes to us, we have to defend that. So we are, we'll see that we get a handsome target so that our bowlers don't have to take the extra pressure to defend the same.
Any changes in the playing 11?
No, we are playing with the same 11.
Good luck, Sagar.
Thank you.
Sahil, you got a great bowling unit and you got a great bowlers, including you. The bowlers will get some movement in the ball, and breaking early shackles will be your priority.
Actually, we got a good bowling unit and we just want to make use of good bowling attacks. So we'll try to restrict them as minimum as we can. So around maybe 120 to 130. So that is our plan actually.
Your team is coming up as a great unit, good in all the departments, batting, bowling and fielding. Any changes in the playing 11?
We are playing with the same 11 and we are just enjoying our cricket at present. So we just want to go for this final and just clinch the title.
All the best and good luck for you as well. So that's the news from here. Nityanand Sports Club won the toss. They'll be batting first. Captain Sahil Duri, Ninad Paskar, Rahul Keni, Harshad Gadekar, Amog Desai, Shubham Desai, Ishan Gadekar, Gaurang Duri, Harshanand Gaonkar, Nikesh Panjikar in the 12th man is Manoj Hadan, professional photographer, live at Souza, who is capturing the beautiful moment of this tournament. Three, 2, 1. Come on, guys. Let's play. Here comes the very first ball. Square. He's a ruthless batsman. He's got big this time. Yeah. The very first ball was just a nudge, and second ball takes it aerial right out from the middle.
That's gone many miles in the air. Good swing and a connection, excellent. One bounce over the rope. Boundary from Amar Arkas. Oh, the first wicket for Harshad Gadekar. He fumbled, but he made it look so easy. Sumiran Amongar wanted to play, but played straight to the bowler. Oh, Thickage wanted to swing nice and straight, but the Thickage takes the ball in the deep third man region for a boundary. He's getting boundary anyways. Amar Arkas once again just trying to swing excellent, but finds the fielder there. Excellent catch doing the deep. Ninad Powers got the safest pair of hands. And Amol Desai strikes, taken wicket off Amar Arkas. Oh, Pushpa Shield going aerial. Enough bat on that to take the ball for a maximum. Picked up beautifully and picked up right out of the park. Shot of length, pulled, but finds the fielder. So that's curtain down for Pushpa Shield. Desai he wanted to play, but finds the fielder. Down the throat, Shubham Desai. Oh, beautifully done. Just opening the face of the bat. The ball is racing away. The ball will do the running, not the batsman. Once again, a beautiful timing, just a delicate touch. The ball races away, backward of the wicket keeper. A shot of a length, a little bit in the air, and the placement was brilliant in the gap. This is the boundary that they were looking for, and they get it beautifully done. And sends the ball to the fence. Oh, once again he did it deliberately, slightly away from the wicket keeper, and the ball running down 4 runs. The very first ball of Nikesh Panjikar was shown to the boundary, backward of the wicket keeper. Once again there was a dive from Rahul Kini. And there is also a field in the deep sweep cover, Ishan Gadekar. Swing and a miss, little bit of appeal there, maybe a fine edge. Yes, Ninad Pavaskar once again striking and taking the wicket. 4th wicket goes down on 73 in the 13th over. Oh, he bowled him nice and straight delivery. The ball just going piercing through, and the bells are flying up in the sky. Nikesh Panjikar strikes 5 wickets down. The very first delivery of the 14th over. Take Bahadur is clean bowled. Bowled him. Oh, cautioning the wind, and what perfect timing. Lovely piece of timing. Pick it up earlier and a bit of a wrist work. Excellent from Achit Sigwan. Good looking shot. Once again a beauty. What a terrific fielding there from Ninad Pavaskar. He's a flying machine. Flick of the race, but finds the fielder. Achit Sigwan is out. Nikesh Panjikar is delighted and happy to take the prize wicket of Achit Sigwan. In the meantime, I welcome Mr. Melvin Norona, the Crown Hotel and Vision Dempo, who has come here along with his 2 sons. I welcome you all on behalf of Prudent Media to watch this wonderful finals. Once again a scope to bring that 100 figure mark for Nityanand Sports Club, and what a beauty from Rohit Naik. Coming down the track and good hit in the gap in the cow's corner. Once again the ball will race it to the boundary. Good enough bat on that. The ball coming right out from the middle and racing away like rocketing away. Back to back consecutive boundaries coming out from Rohit Naik. Once again wanted to scoop but misses the line. Nikesh Panjikar once again striking and going shuffling across to the straighter delivery. Oh, look at that. Once again the timber is shaken. Once again Nikesh Panjikar strikes. What a bowler he's turning out to be. Wicket taking bowler Nikesh Panjikar for the new generation. This time the finger goes up. 1-1-2 is the target set by Nityanand Sports Club against Sunday champs, and it looks like the easy chase target for them to chase in allotted 120 balls, less than run a ball situation. Just 112 to get, as Nelson is the figure what they score. Umpire said it's time and over.
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call us on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
United Telecoms Limited, partners of Department of Information Technology, Government of Goa, running prestigious project GBBN, Goa Broadband Network. Value-added services, G-Wave, high-speed internet on fiber, www.gwave.in.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशो कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट्स टी शर्ट्स स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गार्मेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सयत सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांक. आयजूच येयात राधात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचालीवेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. चित्रा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
.6 is the required run rate. At the rate of 5 to 6 runs every over will serve their purpose to get to the target in 20 overs. Once again a swing and a miss and a swing and a miss. Just one runs to bring an end to the very first over. One. Oh, sheer timing, beautifully picked up. Very good effort in the there by Amog Desai. Just trying to open up a bit and trying to just caution the wind. Perfect timing. Inside edge, getting lucky, but the ball will go once again. Will do the running. The batsman has no need to run. So back-to-back boundaries are coming up. Though it was a risky boundary, but it's a boundary. Anyways. Angle it perfectly, but finds the field in the deep third man. Legend Tushar Sawant in action. Good pick up and release. That will be just a single to take the score to 16. Gets hold of this one, finds the momentum and the good swing of the bat. The flow of the bat was excellent from Ishan Gadekar. Good work, look at that beauty, absolute like Sachin Tendulkar. The ball is racing away, but there is a fielder. Well done by the fielder. That's fine shot, clean striker of the ball. Gets hold of this one. This time the ball is sailing once again. It's handsome. Catch it in the crowd. Oh, this time there is a sound from the timber. Previously it was a sound from the bat. So Pushpashil Desai strikes. The first wicket goes down off Sunday champs as Ishan Gadekar is out. Oh, nicely done. Just a bat and the ball deflected. Edge and the ball racing down to the deep third man. There was a fielder, but the ball was just speeding up. Gets the boundary for Rahul Kenny. Oh, angled beautiful in this time. Placement was excellent. Just a decent placement from Amog Desai, and the ball races away to the boundary. A boundary to bring an end to the 8th over. 49-4-1. Partners, or just a fine touch there. The ball will do the running. The batsman has to really don't run for that. A beautiful boundary, and what a delicate touch from this time from the left-hander batting sensation Rahul Kenny, and taking the score to getting the live matches on. What a cracking beauty. The ball is rocketing away. Good swing from the bat and excellent timing. Once again freeing his arm, but finds the fielder this time. Well done by Sagar Gosavi. He lost the side of the ball but still stopped. I also take this opportunity in welcoming Mr. Paresh Palenkar, Project Manager of Deccan Fine Chemicals, Mr. Farid Vilje, and Mr. Fardeen Vilje, proprietor of Vilje Motors, who has sponsored his Aprilia bike as man of the series. I also welcome Paresh Raikar of Radhatma Furnitures on behalf of Prudent Media. I welcome you, sir. So all the special guests and dignitaries are arriving for these finals, and that bike Aprilia is the catch of this tournament. Once again, what could be a mix-up here, a little confusion there. 2-2 is the call, and the ball is racing away. Will it go all the way? But excellent batting. Congratulations, Amog Desai, for a brilliant and swashbuckling 50. Well played. He is now showing and displaying his bat. Absolutely a master player. This time takes the ball aerial and into the perfect gap boundary. They're closing in for the big win. Sunday champs. Congratulations, Sunday champs, for a comprehensive win. And what a victory, hands down. Sunday champs, you are the two champions of this tournament. Well done and well played, Nityanand Sports Club. So that's all what we had from the commentary box. This is Nadeem Ahmed signing off for this tournament. See you back in the presentation arena.
Anglays, a complete sports shop. We have variety of sports material for all kind of sports and games. We also have trophies and sportswear. Visit us at Panji, Manik Mansion, Kunna Rivera Road. Call is on 0832 222 3119. Anglays since 1950.
उत्तम दर्जेदार किफायती अशोक कस्टमाइज स्पोर्ट्स जर्सी ट्रॅक सूट टी शर्ट स्पोर्ट्स शॉर्ट्स डिजिटल प्रिंट करून मेळपाचें एकमेव ठिकाण म्हळ्यार आकाश गारमेंट्स.
AG means comfort.
AG means comfort.
तुमचे घरचे खंयचेय सण आसूं वा खंयचेय सेलिब्रेशन सदांच याद दवरात राधात्मा फर्निचर. दिवाळे निमतान तरेतरेचे नवे फर्निचर उपलब्ध, आकर्षक डिस्काउंट, कांय थारावीक फर्निचराचेर अजाप करपी दर, खास आकर्षण 2 वर्सांचे वॉरंटी सहित सोफा सेट फक्त 19,500 रुपयांत. आयजूच येयात नादात्मा फर्निचर, वृंदावन हॉस्पिटला कडेन, पेडे, म्हापशां.
20 वर्षाच्या पारंपरिक यशस्वी वाटचाली वेल्यान आता आम्ही तुमच्या आशीर्वादान नव्या आधुनिक जगात प्रवेश करता. नवी सपना, नवी उमेद, नवी उर्बा आणि ताका साथ भांगरा हिऱ्यांची. जिवितातलो प्रत्येक उत्सव भांगरा हिऱ्यांनी सजून उमेदीन मनयात. फोंडा शहरात भांगरा जगतातले एक विश्वासाचे नाव रायकर ज्वेलर्साचे अवधूत रायकार तुमच्या सेवेक घेऊन येता एक भव्य दिव्य असो शोरूम अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड. आता तुमका नवे डिझाईन्स आणि क्वालिटी खातीर दुसऱ्या शहरात वचपाची गरज ना. अंतरा डायमंड्स अँड गोल्ड, शांताश्री बिल्डिंग, अपोजिट स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया, सदर पोंडा, गोवा. तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार.
Well, what a tournament this has been. Just like a roller coaster ride, or if I may say in television terms, with twists and turns, nothing short of a daily soap. Well, it's indeed my privilege to be hosting this initially at the launch ceremony, then the inaugural match, and now for the grand finale. And for the last time, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation party. My name is Rohit, and you're watching Geno Prudent T20, where the curtains come down on this beautiful tournament. And what started on the 10th of December ends today on the 17th. Well, for the presentation party, I have Galaxy of Stars. First of all, I have my title sponsor, Geno Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Sagar Salgaonkar. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause, because without of them, this tournament wouldn't have been possible. I also have from Fitness Bar, Philip Alvarez. Of Tempo Vision, our hospitality partner, Mr. Rajesh Dempo. Mr. Angle, proprietor of Angle's. Mr. Paresh Palekar, project manager of Deccan Fine Chemicals. Mr. Farid and Mr. Fardeen Velji of Velji Motors. Mr. Paresh Raikar of Radhatma Traders. Bala Sawant, proprietor of AG Garments. Kundan Fogiri of Fogiri Caterers. Deepak Mandrekar of Siddhi Decorators. And I would want my editor here, but he's very shy, saying the presentation party has been such a powerful one, he would say he would skip it and be in the audience rather. Well, first of all, there are a lot of people I need to thank, but first, the umpires who have given this tireless effort here for the last 6 days and numerous matches. I'd like to call upon Mr. Atmaram Arolkar to kindly come up on stage and accept this small little memento from our side. Atmaram Arolkar. I also request Sushant Salgaonkar to kindly come up near the presentation area and accept this memento. Mr. Vaman Mayekar. Mr. Rajesh Signapurkar. They have been here with us for the last 6 days, managing the entire tournament on the fields. We also extend our gratitude to 2 gentlemen who've been there in the scoring area, Mrs. Saish Kundaikar and Sarvesh Prabhu. If Saish can come join us and accept this memento. Mr. Saish Kundaikar and Sarvesh Prabhu, who's been doing a lot of buzz with a mic on the 2nd floor and entertaining you with the commentary. Boy, oh beauty, and he's done his duty. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Nadeem Ahmed and accept this memento on behalf of this entire tournament. Well, that was indeed huge, monumental humongous and titanic, an n number of words that he always mentions. Well, it's now to concentrate on the match of today. Well, I'd like to call upon Sagar Gosavi of Nityanand Sports Club to kindly join up here at the presentation. Well, Sagar Gosavi and his team has been giving stupendous performance right from the start of the tournament and coming into the finals. Well-deserving team. Sagar, your thoughts on today's match?
Yeah, it was a good match, true final, I can say. We were short of just 25 or 30 runs. That would have been actually would have made it a little difficult for the opponent if we would have got those 30 runs. And even the openers, they have managed to get a good start, but they should have continued, and that would have been handy for us. But still, a lot to learn from this tournament, and we have to go with a big smile and so much of knowledge on this ground. Means how to tackle with the Ranji players, how to play with them, and we have to learn a lot.
Okay, star performer Sumiran Amonkar doesn't making in the finals. You know, was it initially the hiccup because he was been continuously performing as well as in the form for the entire tournament?
Yes, definitely. We were expecting a few runs from the bat of Sumiran, but he departed early, so that has actually put us on back foot. But still, no one is only one team will win in the finals, and happy to be at the to play the finals and be the finalists of this wonderful tournament where we can play with the Ranji players and learn a lot.
Well, Sagar, best of luck and all your future endeavors. Thank you very much. Well, it's time to declare the man of the match, who gets the beautiful Timex watch and a cricket bat in the memory of late Sri Ramesh Warkar. May I call upon stage the person who bowled 4 overs, gave 26 runs and took 4 wickets. Well, the applause is already there. I need not declare the name, but just for the formality, Nikesh Panjikar, kindly come up on the stage. Just well, Nikesh gets a beautiful Timex watch sponsored by Timex Group and a cricketing bat. Well, Nikesh, if you can join us for a little time, your thoughts on today's match as well as your performance.
Yeah, it was a good match. Batting first, we bowled very well. Okay, the wickets fell on the right time, and ball was swinging, so it was an advantage for me. It was coming in for the right handers, and thankfully all went perfect.
Okay, well, best of luck. You've got a beautiful Timex watch as well as a beautiful cricket bat. Hope you tend to score and bowl a lot of cricket in your cricketing future. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, now, just to have a look at the tournament, the best bowler gets a sparkling handset from Fitness Bar. The gentleman who bowled in the tournament, 13 overs, 5 balls, and 57 runs that he has conceded and took 8 wickets. The sober-looking guy from Nityanand Sports Club, Sagar Gosavi, you can join us a little while again to accept the best bowler. He's been doing amazing things with the ball for the entire tournament here. Well, Sagar, I hope you continue your spill. Just one word on being the best bowler.
One word actually put me in the scope, but I will say I try my best and try to use my resources as much as possible, and whatever experience I have, that's what I try to utilize while bowling. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Sagar. Best batsman. We have the gentleman who's been doing wonders with the bat for the team. That's Nityanand Sports Club. May I call upon Sumiran Amodkar to kindly join up here on the stage. Well, Sumiran, if you can join us. Well, 173 runs in total, 3 times not out. But finals was not what you expected.
Yeah, it didn't go well as we expected, but I just would have expected that all our batsmen just go about it. But it's a very instinctive game, and sometimes it goes to your way and sometimes it doesn't. So congratulations to the opponent team. They played really well. They bowled in good areas initially, and it made all our batsmen difficult to score runs. Especially the singles were not coming, so the pressure was building.
Okay, so congratulations for getting a sparkling handset from Fitness Bar, and best of luck for your entire future season. Well, now, for the man of the tournament who gets a beautiful Aprilia 150cc. If I can have a loud noise for this gentleman. Well, my DJ is quite excited. The gentleman who took 3 wickets and 2 times half centuries. Any guesses? Well, I need not mention the name. If you can say it louder. Amog Desai, if you can join us. Initially to shake hand and then for a ride maybe on the Aprilia 150cc, sponsored by Mr. Velji Motors. Guys, make some noise. A little more noiser than the Aprilia 150cc makes. Amog Bav, last time when we spoke, you were quite confident of the final and you were like charged up to just take it head on.
Yes, definitely. You know, the way we played the semi-finals, I was pretty confident if we can continue that, we would get through the finals as well. And good effort by the boys, and congratulations to the opponents as well for the exceptional performance they've done on this tournament.
Okay, thank you very much. But tell me one thing, was it difficult? Was it easy? Because you managed to put them in a difficult position initially with your bowling. Then batting was quite, which you were confident of.
I mean, it was a small total to chase, and I knew I had to play throughout. You know, one batsman was taking the lead through, and I took that responsibility, and I'm pretty happy the way I performed. So I congratulate once again, I congratulate Prudent and Geno, for such a wonderful tournament. I hope many more tournaments like this come up and we get an opportunity to play, set a platform like this in the near future.
Okay, well, congratulations for this beautiful Aprilia 150cc that you've got. Thank you very much, and best of luck for your entire future. Well, it's now time that I call upon Nityanand Sports Club's Sagar Gosavi to kindly come up on stage and accept the runners-up trophy. Guys, make some noise, because it's... If we can ask the team to join as well, the entire team of Nityanand Sports Club, to come noise for Nityanand Sports Club, Sagar Gosavi and his team, for being the runners-up of the first edition of Geno Prudent T20, played at this beautiful Goa Cricket Association Academy grounds, Parwari. Well, in the game, somebody wins, somebody loses. But one thing which makes me proud to say today, that the Goan cricket has won today on this beautiful Goa Cricket Association Academy grounds. And the next breed of talent is eager to showcase themselves. And doing this, Prudent has just been the catalyst for their hard work. Back then when we started, it was just a dream that has turned into a reality. A dream that has been realized with our open eyes. And this wouldn't have been possible without the support of our sponsors. I'd like to thank our title sponsor, Geno Pharmaceuticals, our associate sponsor, Goa Cricket Association, co-sponsor, Anand Bose Constructions, supported by Sri Michael Lobo, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and MLA Kalangut. He was very keen to come here today for this grand finale, but could not make up because he's a little sick today. Our associate sponsor, Deccan Fine Chemicals, Ozone Group, Riker Jewelers, Radhatma Furnitures. Man of the series sponsored by Velji Motor, which Amog has just got the keys for. The jersey sponsors, AG Garments and Fogiri Caterers. Trophy sponsors, Anglaise. Prize sponsors, Timex Group. Prize sponsor, the mobile handset for best bowler and best batsman, the Fitness Bar. Man of the match, final cricket batch sponsored by Studio 9 Ventures. Memento sponsored by Turi Events. Internet partner, G-Wave. Stage partner, Siddhi Decorators. Beverage partner, Suraj Pilgaonkar. Hospitality partner, The Crown Hotel. And our print media partners, The Goan and Goan Varta. Well, I'd now like to call upon, do I need to say anything? Well, make some noise, Mapshakars. Do I need to say his name and the team name? Well, please welcome Sahil Dhuri, the captain of Sunday Champs. And what a Sunday this is. The team with the name of Sunday Champs winning the Sunday's grand finale. Well, Sahil, your thoughts on today's match?
Well, really good tournament to play, such a prestigious tournament to win is an achievement actually. So it's been a Sunday actually, and Sunday Champs are the winner. So it's been a really good support from all our supporters as well as our sponsors. Special thanks to all sponsors and Geno, especially doing such a great tournament, and it's been a really good opportunity for all the players to showcase their talent.
Okay, and what would you like to say about your players, especially Amog Desai and a lot of young brigade, putting a beautiful show at this particular tournament?
Amog Desai, see, just got his reward at the end of the series. It says everything. And about all other players, it's been a really team effort from each and every player, playing in each department, fielding, batting, bowling. So it was a really team effort.
Well, it was a beautiful day, and it was a Sunday, and Sunday Champs winning. Well, congratulations, Sahil. But if you can wait for a little while and join the entire team here, I'd like to call upon the entire team of Sunday Champs to come up on the stage area for the grand prize, the beautiful trophy sponsored by Anglaise. Well, the 12 men have joined the party. They have been the force who have got them to the finals. The Sunday Champs making the champions of the first edition of Geno Prudent T20, organized at this beautiful Goa Cricket Association Academy grounds. What started on the 10th of... Well, I'd like to request all Prudent staff to kindly join us for a photo op with the champions of the first edition of Geno Prudent T20.